Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Trump Accounts app if it's not working. So if the app won't open, keeps crashing, or isn't loading properly, then just follow along. First, you need to make sure your phone has a stable internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, completely close the Trump Accounts app and then reopen it. If that doesn't help, check the App Store for any available updates and install the latest version. Then restart your phone and launch the app again. And if you're still having problems, make sure your device is running the latest of iOS or Android. And you should also check whether the Trump account service is temporarily unavailable due to maintenance or high traffic. And if the app loads but certain features aren't working, then try signing out of your current account and then try signing back in again. And if none of these steps help solve the issue, then you need to contact Trump account support through the official website or app for further assistance. So that was how to fix the Trump accounts app not working. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.